And the starters orders then for the 500cc Australian Grand Prix. Doohan out to retain his title. The lights change from red to green. The charge is on, and a great start from Doohan. Cadalora away well, so too is Arbe. Arbe's going to be in second spot, Cadalora in third position, but it's Doohan, to the delight of the enormous crowd here at Eastern Creek, who sets the pace out on the opening lap. 30 laps the race distance. Doohan from Arbe, Cadalora. One or two people running wide. Everybody staying on board though. So it's Honda, then two Yamahas, then Lucky Strike Suzuki in fourth place. But Cadalora, despite that tumble in practice, and Arbe just recovering from a broken collarbone, sticking to the world champion. Number 8, Sean Emmett, up there in the thick of things. Doohan still with a slender lead over Arbe, then Cadalora, then Beatty. Caparossi up into sixth position now, and somebody on the grass, but they stay on board. Doohan and Beatty really must start making progress if he wants to get up with fellow countryman Mick Doohan. Caparossi, then it was Crevier, behind Crevier was Barros. Over the line they go one more time. Arbe still there in second place. What a great start to the season for the 19-year-old Japanese rider. And that's the pace from the trackside camera. But Beatty, Darrell Beatty, up into third position, and the Australian contingent here at Eastern Creek, they like that. Well, that's the rear-facing camera on Beatty's machine. Cadalora having to do the chasing now. And here's Kevin Schwantz continuing to move up through the field on the inside of Alex Barros. That's brave stuff, and Barros forced to just move over. The Brazilian's been over in Europe riding in Grand Prix for a long time now. Started illegally, allegedly, at the age of 15. Back with Doohan, who has a long glance over his shoulder to see where the opposition is. The checkered flags go out. Michael Doohan has won the opening round of the 1995 season very, very convincingly. Doohan the winner.